Acetic acid has the following molecular formula. Find the percentage composition of each element. Well, we can read the molar mass of each element from the periodic table. So we have 2 carbons, 4 hydrogens, and 2 oxygens in that molecule. So we'll just multiply by those numbers. And if we're summing those together, we obtain the molar mass of this molecule. And now we can obtain a percentage composition of each element by dividing the molar mass of each element by the molar mass of the molecule. So for carbon, and you can do similar calculations for hydrogen and oxygen to obtain the following results. And these should sum to 100%.